Yeah, fornices is an approximate probable.
Point to it again on this side. So
Yeah, so right here we have the fornix. They're scrunched together, so the separation between the two of them is hard to see. You can see a little indentation over there. Now, what's this opening here? Yes, exactly right. The foramen of Monroe, the interventricular foramen. See that?
Oh, that's the other word for it?
By the way,
yes.
it's all of the part A's will be the same as on the quizzes, except that this is in
Taylor.
reality and then those are in virtual
There's a
reality.
glare.
So if you know them well enough to be
From
able
your
to
light.
identify them on the quiz, you'll be able to do them on this.
Can you
However, in some cases, I'll be asking a part B that has to do with a relationship that I didn't ask in the quiz.
There's
Can you
Dover.
point to that again?
Wait, the
Yeah.
quiz is a week from today, correct?
Right.
Okay.
Now, what is this separation right there? Once again.
Oh wait, you didn't tell us the bonus questions.
Right.
Are you gonna do that today?
Yeah. So,
What was that
so
again?
what's that? What's that once again?
Foramen of Monroe.
Correct. Now, what's that? Does that make this space over here?
Third ventricle?
That's right, the third ventricle. Now, if that's the third ventricle, what's this gray matter over here?
Thalamus.
That's right, the thalamus. And if this is the thalamus, what's that? Yeah, head of the caudate nucleus. What's this white matter over here?
Internal capsule.
Yeah, which part of it?
Anterior.
That's right. Now, here's the thalamus. What's this whole thing called?
Lentiform.
That's right. Now, what's the darker part called?
Globus pallidus.
No, globus pallidus is inside.
Right,
Oh,
correct.
the putamen?
Yeah.
Yeah, the putamen. The darker part is the putamen. See that? You may have to move around a little bit.
I don't see the globus
be-
pallidus.
Well, now, you have to look straight down like this, and here's the putamen, and medial to that, you can see some faint gray right there. That's globus pallidus. Now, what's the white matter over here? Now, that shows better on this side. What's this white matter over here?
Internal capsule?
Yeah, which part of the internal capsule?
Posterior.
Anterior limb.
No. Well, what's this part?
Anterior.
What's this part?
Posterior.
Now, how do you know it's the posterior limb?
Because
Because we can see the greater.
Yeah, it's between the thalamus and the lentiform. Whereas the anterior limb is between the caudate and the lentiform. The posterior limb is between the thalamus and the lentiform. Okay? Now, just keep in mind that if I ask the anterior limb of the internal capsule on a coronal section, you can't see the anterior and the posterior limbs simultaneously, so you'd have to depend upon those relationships to neighboring structures to be able to identify them. And then it's likely because these limbs of the internal capsule look different in coronals and horizontals that I will ask them twice because of the fact that you have to go.
You can't see both, you said?
That's right. Now, what's this?
Lateral ventricle.
Yeah, which part of the lateral ventricle?
Anterior.
Yeah, the anterior horn of the lateral ventricle. And then now, at this altitude, we can't see the body of the lateral ventricle. And the body of the lateral ventricle is harder to show in a horizontal, but shows readily in the coronals. Now, what is that?
The anterior,
Posterior.
posterior.
Yeah, that's part of the posterior horn of a lateral ventricle. And then there's some soft tissue in there. What is that? Yeah, choroid plexus, that's correct. And then over here, I'll find a better one than this, however, for this. What is this indentation over here?
Right to occipital
Paroccipital,
sulcus.
correct. That's right.
I'm like, I wasn't fucking.
The parieto-occipital sulcus. I'll find a better one than this one for that. But you see, this is another one of these that's going to get multiple questions. Okay? And then let's go lower. Oh, and not to belabor